It's always good to have you. Just generally, emerging markets have really started to outperform here after what? A decade of underperforming the developed world? So does this continue? And if so, why?
That's right. It's been a long time. Of course, during that 10-year period, there have been periods when emerging markets came up. But the big story, of course, is the decline in China and the rise of India. I mean, if you compare India and China, it's amazing. One market is going in one direction, the other one is going in the other direction. And of course, India is really outperforming not only China, but even the US. So it's quite amazing. And I think you're going to see more and more of that going forward, not only in India, but countries like Brazil and other emerging market countries coming back finally. And of course, the interesting thing is that China being such a big part of the emerging markets index, the index looks terrible. But if you look at the individual countries, they're beginning to look pretty good.
Are you staying away from China at this point? What are you doing with Chinese exposure given the regulatory crackdown there?
Now, interestingly enough, with this downturn in China, actually it provides an opportunity. Yes, we're overweight in India, but we're still in China because there's some great pickings. A lot of the companies have gone down too much in view of the scare about this crackdown by the government. In fact, I believe that this so-called crackdown has been pretty good because it means the regulatory environment is going to be much healthier for the whole country. And that's going to be pretty good, particularly for the medium-sized and smaller companies.